Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2025 Kia K4. I have in front of me here an EXI VT in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is the smart key fob for the Kia K4. And you see we've got some buttons on the front here, but on the back, this hold button, that's for the remote start. So we're going to go ahead and do the sequence to start the car. So I'm going to hit the lock button at the top. And within 4 seconds, you're going to press and hold that hold button firmly until the lights flash and the car has now started. It is going to run for up to 10 minutes before it turns itself off, just in case you don't come out to it in time. And if you want to cancel it, we just go ahead and press that hold button to cancel it. When you walk up to the car, it knows the key fob is around, so you can either hit unlock on here, or you can press the black button on the outside of the door to unlock it. And then once we're inside, I get in, and because the key fob is in here, the rest of the electronics turned on, and now it's all ready to go. It will remember what you set your climate controls to. So you make sure that you preset if you want the fan up high, you can have your front defroster going, you can crank the heat, or if it's the time in the summer, you want it the opposite way around, you go ahead and put the AC on if you want to cool it down in here a bit too. This is slightly different from the GT lines, which has the automatic dual zone climate control. So this is for mostly the LX and the EX that has the standard climate controls. And do keep in mind that when you change your driver profile, there's different climate settings per profile. So you make sure you're on the profile that you want for when you go to do the physical remote start. And just one last thing to note, if you went and did your remote start and you came out, but you weren't ready to go into the driver's door area, but you needed to deal with kids or cargo in the back seats or in the trunk, and you open the door and you're busy back here doing your thing, after about 30 seconds, the vehicle will shut itself off just for security reasons. So if you didn't want to lose any progress you've made with the remote start, all you'd have to do is just open the driver's door. As long as you got the key fob on you, just tap the brake, everything else comes on, and now it's ready to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.